7:30 Eastern.
Bundle up.
All right, I plan to. I've got to get help there. Your not top plays for the week. Number 10, not the X Games. It's the 40th annual, you guessed it, Cowboy Downhill in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. There's over 100 pro rodeo cowboys. That's right, they're rodeo cowboys. They traded in their spurs for skis, but they kept their hats on. They stayed on. They must be glued.
Athletic.
Okay, that's right.
Right a ball, they get the ball.
All right.
No ball. Lenzel Smith shoots the three. Ball bounces off the rim, lands above the backboard. Nana Egwu took 5 attempts to get the broom in the ball.
5 attempts.
He wasn't close the first couple of times. Get it.
This you gotta love. How about Nick Faldo goes to eat a cupcake and then says, okay, I don't want it. And it's sticking to their back wall. See, you thought that was the real scenery. Maybe
There
it is.
it goes.
But I think it is the real scenery. It's just the glass.
There's a glass in front.
Yeah, to protect them. Their papers would be going all over the place in the wind.
True, true. Peyton Manning wind in the Super
Oh, I was just thinking about that.
Were you?
Yeah.
We're so simpatico today. Omri Caspi tosses one up. Derek Williams misses the alley-oop. Caspi then misses to Jeremy Lin. You could never tell, but the Rockets would win that game.
Yes, and how about this? The equipment manager must be fired. This happened in the North American Hockey League. The Rio Grande Killer Bees facing the Corpus Christi Ice Rays. The Killer Bees forgot their jerseys. They had to wear the Ice Rays away jerseys. How do you forget the jerseys?
A lot better than shirts and skins in that situation.
Oh, okay. Well,
Phil Mickelson is a left-hander. He hit his ball into some shrubbery. He goes right hand and does what I've done a million times out there at Rockledge Golf Course in West Hartford, America. Knocked it out. Mickelson at Arizona State.
Nice free promo right there you just
like that?
dropped.
Well,
Roger Federer, this could be number 1 if you ask me. How does Roger Federer, one of the greatest tennis players of all time, whiff on a serve? Well, he did it. And he lost to Rafa Nadal as well. So that isn't good either.
Number 3, Wayne Selden Jr. dives into the stands and gives this unsuspecting fan a face full of foot.
Oh.
Actually, he got 2 of them. One guy got more sock than he did foot. I don't know which one I'd ever had, the sock or the foot.
I don't know.
Sock probably.
It's not worth dissecting right now.
It's a time thing.
You know, who thought the ball boy, being one, it would be hazardous to one's health, but he got hit in the face with a tennis ball. But he just stood his ground. He's okay.
Tough kid.
Yeah.
Cristiano Ronaldo, do you think he's good at football?
Well, normally good.
Look, whiffs on a bicycle kick. I couldn't stretch enough to even attempt that.
I'm not going to try, by the way.
No, you should.
But is it worse than this and what happened to Florida? I'll just end the suspense. It's not. The 7-time worst and worst champ is about to become the 8-time worst and worst champ. Poor Gator fans, but, you know, they've had their success, but it wasn't last year.
That would have never happened with Steve Spurrier.